up, everybody? This is a MoPro coming at you once again with fixing of the car. Well, we're on this 2011 Nissan Versa, and we're gonna have to get in here and change this starter. Well, the good thing is the starter's really close. It's right up front, directly up front. So when you first open your hood, you probably had a few little things in your way, like this, which goes right in here. Let me just show you really quick. Boom, boom, boom. Goes right in there. Well, when you see that, take these two clips out, and there should be a clip back there in the back, and then you turn it this way, and it should pop right off. Okay, let's put that to the side. The next thing you probably run into is your coolant. Your coolant is probably sitting right here, like this. Well, all you do is, if you look right here, there's a little switch, a little clip. You pull the clip and pull it up and out, and it's out your way. And there's your starter right there. So let's get the right tools so we can go ahead and swap this bad baby out. I'm trying to see, it looks like it's only what, 2 bolts, hopefully. Yeah, so let me get some tools and let's get started. All right, now I'm gonna try to do this as quick as possible. Now, the main tools you want to make sure you have is a swivel, a 1.5, an 8mm long socket, and you want to make sure you have an 18mm long socket. Now, when you have those, make sure that you have you a breaker bar, because that's what's going to start you off when it's time to take it out. If you want to use your gun, this is the way you do it. If not, you can just use a regular ratchet. It's no big deal. Make sure you got all your extensions for whatever size tools you have. And what I did was I got all kind of different sockets, but I'm already done. So let me show you. Well, I mean, I haven't put the starter in yet, but I'm going to show you. First thing you want to do is you want to unbolt this, just enough so you have some room to get your gun in there. Then after that, you're going to unbolt, where'd it go? You're going to unbolt this right here, which is on a screw, and a little bolt that connects right there. You just take the little seal out. That's where your dipstick goes, right in there. And then once you loosen that up, you're able to get your gun in between here. Now, right here is your heater hose. I meant your lower coolant hose. You can squeeze your gun in there and get directly to the bolt and take it off. And that's gonna be an 18mm, okay, on the top one. Then once you get to the bottom one, same thing, but what you have to do is you have to use your breaker bar right there up top. You have to use your breaker bar to break the bolts loose. Then after that, you squeeze the gun in there and you can unbolt it. Super easy. Oh my God, it was super easy. Yep, so it's already out. I'm about to put the other one back in. Oh, and then the last part of it, once you take the 2 big bolts out, right here on the back, you're gonna have that 8mm, and you're gonna have a 1/2, aka 12mm, to take this these 2 bolts out. But what I did was, after I took the starter out, you flip it forward towards you so you can actually get your gun in there and unscrew each and every one of those bolts. And after that, that's it. So hopefully you have all your tools, like I said. Make sure you got all your sockets. Make sure you got all your socket plugs, and your gun, of course, it should have a light on it. If it's got a light on it, it's gonna make it super easy. And that's about it. It's a MoPro coming at you once again. Peace on the Nissan Versa.